Okay, this video is going to be very short because it's just going to be based on the Chapter 9 review. Now the students in class are going to be doing a Kahoot on the first three sections, so finding the surface area of prisms, pyramids, and cylinders. And then they're going to do a Kahoot on volumes of prisms and pyramids. So that's what the students are going to be doing in class. Now for their homework assignment, you are going to do the Chapter 9 practice test. Now what I've done is made that into a Google Doc. So if you have the ability to print off this, you can. If you do not, then you can just use this Google Doc as a page in your textbook, have a piece of notebook paper, and then answer each of the questions on the Chapter 9 practice test, and I'll share that with you in my email to you. So once again, the assignment is going to be the Chapter 9 practice test. It starts out with finding the surface area of the prism or the rectangular or the regular pyramid. I'll get started on number 1 with you. That one is a rectangular prism. So you know it's length times width times height. So it would be 2 times 5 times 2, times 2, 2 times 5 times 3, plus 2 times 2 times 3. So the first part, 2 times 5 times 2 would be 20, 2 times 5 times 3 would be 30, and 2 times 2 times 3 would be 12. So then the total surface area of this shape would be 62 feet squared, and you can keep working on that practice test. Tomorrow, I will give you the answers to the questions on the practice test, helping you to get ready for the Chapter 9 test, which is happening on Friday. Thanks for watching.